Welcome to the Fetal Heart Monitor. Our Doppler monitor is designed for simplicity. Just apply the gel, place the probe and listen to your baby's heartbeat. This device allows you to easily monitor the baby's heart rate and ensure their well-being. Here's a quick guide on how to use it. First, power on. Press and hold the power button. To turn the device on, the display will light up. Second, adjust volume. Use the volume button plus or minus to adjust the sound level for clear heart rate detect. Thirdly, mode selection. Press the mode button to toggle between different settings such as heart rate measurement or playback mode. Fourthly, start monitoring. Place the probe on your belly. Move it gently until you hear the heartbeat. The fetal heart rate will display on the screen. Fifthly, pause. Stop. Press the pause button to temporarily stop monitoring. To stop completely, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Finally, battery check. The battery icon will appear on the screen when it is time to recharge. Experience crystal clear audio of your baby's heartbeat, ensuring peace of mind during the pregnancy. Recommended by healthcare providers for home use. This device offers reliable monitoring from the comfort of your home. Parents love the emotional connection this device creates, allowing them to bond with their little one before birth. Discover the joy of listening to your baby's heartbeat today. Always follow the instructions and consult your doctor if you have concerns. Keep the device clean and store it safely when not in use. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in it, please contact us.